Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ever wonder how the top brands know exactly what kind of posts to create on social media? It's not a guess, it's a science called social testing. In this video, you're going to learn about the essential process of social testing, why it's crucial for your brand, and the two main types you need to know about. Let's dive in. So, what exactly social testing is? Simply put, social testing is an experimental process that shows how your social media content is performing among your target audience. Think of it as your secret weapon for getting data-driven insights. Why is it so important? Because it tells you what's working and what's not. It helps you determine which content is most effective, which posts your audience engages with most, and ultimately, how to best allocate your marketing budget toward those effective posts. Moving to the next, now, let's get into the two most common types of social testing: A/B testing and multivariate testing. First, A/B testing is when you compare two versions of a post with only a single differing variable. For example, let's say you want to increase website traffic. You might run two identical paid ads, except for the headline. Maybe ad A has a standard, informational headline, and ad B has a headline that uses a popular song reference. If ad B gets significantly more clicks, you've learned a valuable lesson. Your audience is more likely to engage with content that includes pop culture references. That single variable change is what makes A/B testing so powerful for isolating specific insights. On the flip side, multivariate testing is for comparing two or more versions of a post with several differing variables at once. For example, you might create 4 ad variations. Version 1 has an image and caption A, version 2 has a GIF and caption B, version 3 has a different color scheme and caption C. This type of testing is great for monitoring how an entire combination of elements performs against another combination. Getting the data is only half the battle. The other half is correctly evaluating your results. To get adequate results, you should consider running tests for a week, a month, or even longer. The more data you gather, the more certain you can be of your conclusions. And remember to be thoughtful about which variables you alter. Strategic changes help you optimize your future strategy. So, here's the bottom line. Social testing is an essential part of social media marketing because, simply put, you only know what you know. If you haven't tested what your audience likes, you may never know what that is. Be sure to identify a specific goal before you begin testing, and most importantly, don't be afraid to try new things. Here is the question coming for you. What's one thing you're going to A/B test next? Let us know in the comments.